What's up, guys? UPS man just showed up, brought me a little present. Looky looky. Let's get this stuff unboxed and see what we got. New toys. 2.5-inch catback exhaust Flowmaster all the way. I bought the Flowmaster pipes. The stainless steel on the end. Look at that. Pretty. All mandrel bent tubing. Show you guys what I have on here now. These are the original stainless steel pipes from Ford. I cut them there as we're at the swell and then just welded them on to the Flowmaster system that I purchased back in probably 1998. The original American Thunder. And this is an off-road H pipe. I think I purchased it from Summit around about the same time. But as you can see, these are not the mandrel bent tubing. This is 2.5-inch here, but if you measure where it's all kinked up, it drops all the way down to 2 inches in places. I've got one of these guys on order, but he's not here yet. So since the new H pipe isn't here yet, we're going to go ahead, put on the new 2.5-inch Flowmaster catback system. Now I measured the decibel output of the current exhaust system. I'll flash that up there for you guys, a little video of that. And we'll do it again after we put on the 2.5-inch system. You wouldn't think there's that much difference between 2.25 and 2.5. We'll check that out here in a little bit. Stick around. Alright guys, I got all that off. Wasn't too bad. Last time I did this, I was laying on my back in the gravel. Handy little tool here on your air hammer. It just kind of opens up the side a little bit there. Allows the pipe to slip off really easy. Alright, we got her off. Let's put the new one on. Exciting. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. That only took me about an hour. Last time I did this, like I said, laying in the rocks, jack stands, gravel, it took me all day. Did I mention I like my lift? All right, let's crank her up and see if the 2.5 inch exhaust is any louder than the 2 1/4. Let's turn on the decibel meter here.
What'd you hear?
About 90. Well guys, I stopped and picked up my neighbor and we took her for a test drive, and I'm gonna tell you what, the 2.5 inch exhaust made a huge difference in horsepower over the 2 1/4. I was quite impressed. You don't start hooking until 3rd gear. And the sound, I measured it with a crappy decibel meter on my phone, and it didn't really show any difference in the amount of sound, but it sounds more, I don't know, metallic, if that makes sense. Cam sounds a whole lot better in this exhaust. All in all, this was definitely a good upgrade. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We'll have some more videos coming out. New transmission in the future. We're going to go with the Tremec TKX. That'll be a little better suited for this particular setup because this still has the stock T5 transmission in it, which has 155,000 miles on it. All the synchros are still good. It still shifts nice, still nice and smooth, but I'm scared. I'm scared to use 3rd gear. They say 3rd gear is what's going to go. Probably the first time I've turned out 3rd gear with this 351W. I would estimate this car is making between 375 and 400 horsepower and around 400 foot-pounds of torque. And it feels nice, but there's always room for improvement. So stay tuned. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day.